Hello, this is Sharon from the Don Edwards San Francisco Bay National Wildlife Refuge Environmental Education Center in Alviso. This presentation will provide an overview of the key components of the field trip activity you were assigned to lead for the Wetland Round of Field Trip program. On the day of your field trip, we will provide you with a laminated copy of the script and all of the equipment and materials you need to lead that activity. Let's get started with our activity review. This is the only activity you will be leading on the day of your field trip. You'll be leading this activity 4 to 5 times. This presentation will guide you through the following components of your activity: an overview of how to use a script, overview, equipment, location, setup, procedure, and tips and tricks. Once you have reviewed this presentation in its entirety, you can click on the hyperlinks to get back to a page you might want to review it in further detail. Let's review the components of the script. On the first page, you will find the name and overview of the activity, key objectives, a timeline, how this activity relates to the refuge's resources, and a list of materials provided by the refuge. On the second page, you will find background information. This information is a reference for you. On the day of your field trip, you do not read the information to the students, however, for you to use as needed. The activity script starts on the third page. The activity script is written do, read, ask teaching format and is set up to be followed exactly. On the day of your field trip, you may find that you may want to use the script the entire day. That is great too. It is up to you and your comfort level. The script is a guide, and refuge staff and interns will be available for additional assistance as needed. In this activity, students will sing about the butterfly life cycle, learn that pollinators are attracted to specific plants, and determine what features a habitat must have to attract pollinators. In the provided backpack, you will find 6 pollinator puppets, 6 flower bracelets, 6 laminated garden detective bingo worksheets, 6 dry erase markers, bee with pollen photo, and a large poster with the butterfly life cycle song. This activity will be located in the butterfly garden. Meet the students at the flagpole, then lead them along the trail to a tree with 12 tree stumps under it. Have the students sit on the tree stumps. Students will act out the stages of a butterfly's life cycle while singing the butterfly life cycle song. Next, the activity leader will read a story about pollinators, and the students will act it out as they read. Then the instructor will lead the students around the garden, while the students use the garden detective bingo worksheets to find important elements in the pollinator habitat. Finally, ask the students questions that is listed on the script. Have fun with the song. Get the kids up and moving. This will help them get their wiggles out. Have the students sit on their sit-upons when you tell the story. There are enough clipboards to have the students work in groups of 2. However, if this is too distracting, you can use one clipboard for the entire group and have students take turns marking the items off. Thank you for reviewing your activity prior to your field trip. Don't forget to review your activity script. Please reach out if you have questions. We look forward to seeing you, and we hope you enjoy your time on the refuge.